Thank you. And good evening, esteemed guests, organizers and fellow participants, and thank you for organization of this beautiful Nowruz Festival. And we would like to express our great appreciation to Mr. Sobara, to extend my heartfelt gratitude for the gracious invitation extended to us. So in our turn, we warmly invite each of you and every of you to visit our Azerbaijan house and to experience vibrant community and to see what we can offer. We've got a number of interesting activities and specific curriculum for weekend school, where we got classes of traditional dancing, chess, language learning, Azerbaijan, French, English, and we do music appreciation and performances. So traditional dancing is one of we are very proud of, and today our talents are going to perform two beautiful dances. So we are going to invite them soon, and for this, in this way, we are just preserve the rich heritage of Azerbaijan while embracing the spirit of unity and collaboration with the wider community. Once again, I express my sincere appreciation and to Mr. Sobara for this opportunity to share our initiatives and aspirations with you all. We look forward to welcome everybody in our Azerbaijan house. And now I would like to invite here our kids to make amazing performance with two dances. The first dance is Shan Azerbaijan by Polat Bülbül, which means joyful Azerbaijan. And the second dance is going to be Gaval. It's going to be just enjoy it. It's going to be beautiful. Happy Nowruz, everybody.
Mən yenə söhbət açım ilkbaharında Gülşən Azərbaycan El kızlar düzüm düzüm kürlarında Açık pençemizin her bularında Gözlerim canabağında İçinlerim kuş ormanın koşmağın Bu kahrenin kuşlar bizim yüzü Şirvan yüzü der geldi şen Azerbaycan Der günler şafalıdır köy günler Safalıdır her yanı Gülşen Azerbaycan Her damlası layla çalan göl Hazarım var Her olduğu nəğmə olan Gülşen var